Hello YouTube, Mr. Jayhun here. Today I'm so excited. Yes, I'm very excited for this beauty. You wanna see what it is? Ta-da! Nomad Grill. So, I'm gonna open and see what's inside of it. Then we're gonna test it out. I think I need a knife. Ta-da! Okay, first of all, I see this letter. It says, "Oh, Jayhun, thanks for your purchase. Welcome to our rowing barbecue, Cam and John." Okay, let's open this beauty. Okay, then it says, "Nice to meet you." Okay. This goes here. The big reveal. Ta-da! Can't wait. See this baby. Okay. From the packaging you can see it's premium. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, Nomad Grill and Smoker. Yes, I've waited for this for a long time. I think I deserve to see it. So what it has from the outside, if we see a thermometer, then once at the top, once at the bottom. So this, I think this is probably for both sides and while smoking as well. Open it. Okay. Ta-da! Jeez, OMG. Look at this gray. Feels so premium. Oh, I think it's magnet. Wow. What do you think? Without further ado, let's go ahead and test this out. Now we are outside in my backyard. We're gonna test this beauty out. We're gonna cook this awesome bone-in ribeye steak in this one to see if it's worth. Let's go ahead and do it. So first I'm gonna open it. Yes. Okay, this charcoal is more than enough. Let's go ahead and light it up. To the fire starter. Light it up. Put the charcoal there. It's gonna take around 20 minutes till my charcoal gets ready for the cook. So my charcoal's almost ready. I'm gonna dump it here. I'm gonna adjust them. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the grates, and then I'm gonna close it to kill all those chemicals coming with the brand new grill. So I don't need to close this. I'm gonna open this vent as well. The vents are open. Yep. So the air is gonna flow and it will heat up and kill all those bacteria or chemicals, whatever is inside of it. Then I'll put my steak on it. Look at this beauty. It is ready. I'm gonna add my wireless thermometer inside. I'm aiming for around 125-ish, then I'll let it rest on the side. I'm gonna cook it and into indirect heat. It's gonna cook here. So, see you after the cook. I'm aiming around 300 degrees, so I'm gonna lower it to half, and also this one to half. See you when it reaches the temp. Okie dokie, my steak come to the temp. I'm gonna open this. Voila, look at the beauty. I'm gonna take the thermometer off. I'm gonna sear this. Yeah, I'm gonna sear this. Okay, our steak is ready. And today I have here my brother from another mother, Edwin.
Hello guys.
Let's go ahead and check this baby out. Okay. I'm gonna close you, baby. Put you aside to make some more room. Okay.
Looks delicious.
Looks fantastic.
Sexy.
Yes. Look at this. Okay. I'm gonna cut it right from the middle to see how does it cook.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Help yourself. Taste it and give it a number. No, you can hold that whole thing.
That's okay.
Yeah. Look at theirs, bro.
It's so juicy. It's beautiful.
Look at this.
Tastes so good.
Okay, guys, we're gonna dig in. This is it for today. Thank you, brother.
Of course.
For tasting me. We're gonna see you next week. Until then, God bless. Take care. The juice is